We actually measured, some of these leaves are like almost 20 inches long, like this one. And there's still some new growth on the way. My chocolate baby is no longer a baby. And it's been long overdue for a new pot. That's my chocolate baby, y'all. She getting ready to get an upgrade, y'all. From a 5-gallon bucket to a 17-gallon laundry tub. Y'all see she taller than me. I gotta hurry up for this wind, knock her over. You gonna be able to handle this wind? What? Look at that. Wait, let's put you up against here for now. It's gotten so tall, I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give her a trim. We're not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna attempt to root it and see how that goes. I know. Air layering it would have been better, but because it's so flimsy up there, I don't want to weigh the tree down. Oh, she looks so sad right now. Only for a little while. Only for a little while. You want to make sure you got some holes for drainage. None on the bottom, but some on the side. This soil is nice. Got some nice fat worms in here. I'm going to throw a few of them in the bucket. Go to your new home. Go to your new home. Good. Oh my goodness. I'm sure she would have did so much more growing. She been needed an upgrade. I'm sorry, my chocolate baby. You about to get an upgrade right now. Right now. In fact, you put a little bit more dirt in there first. Didn't need an upgrade. Wow. Well, she's getting it now and it's about to heat up. I can't wait to show you how fast she's about to grow. I'm gonna find her a new support pole, so until she gets acclimated to the wind, because she's been inside for the last year. Her first year I had her outside in the shade under some trees. That's where she did a lot of her initial growth. But all last year she was indoors. So we're gonna fertilize her and then we're gonna give her a nice long drink. that helps it, that stabilizes it just a little bit more, and helps me feel confident that it's not just gonna blow over in the wind. I'm hoping maybe in a few weeks or so I can take this support off so it can stand alone, but we'll see. My chocolate baby, she got a haircut and she got a new home. So we're gonna see how she decides to branch out. I'm gonna go inside and I'm going to get some rooting hormone on her top and see what happens. All right, here's the top of my chocolate baby. I already removed some of the leaves. I'm gonna remove a few more. I'm gonna leave her with these 4. I'm gonna pot her in a cup. I'm doing a peekaboo. And then this soil, I just moistened with some water just so it wouldn't be so dry. And this will make it easy so we can see when the roots do start coming. What in the world? You don't see that sap? Hopefully that'll help it root faster. I'm gonna use some of this. By the way, I've never rooted a chocolate, well, a cacao tree cutting before. So if this works, this be first. So I went and I got this inspected by the tree whisperer, and he suggested that this was too long. So perhaps I should cut this in half. So, which is great, because that means I might get 2 more chocolate babies from my 1. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I didn't do this on the other one, which I'll probably pull that back out and do redo. But scrape a little bit off there and a little here. Now I'm gonna re-dip, replant. Give a little drink. It's getting ready to storm. We're gonna see how she holds up in the winds. So far she's holding steady.